is going to be another episode right here from this channel. And I can tell you, if you have not yet subscribed to Eric Center, please do so to subscribe, like with your thumbnail, and also comment so that we can able to know you and add you to the community. Remember, this is what we are doing here. This is great information, and I want to also update this. I have to upload this video about 2021 Toyota Corolla import duty calculation, and I have lost that video completely on my device. I don't know, so I have to restart again and prepare everything. That's why I am still not able to upload or premiere that video. So pardon me guys for those who are interested, and I promise I'll bring it to you coming week. 2024 Range Rover import duty cost in Ghana is going to be a shocker. Those who want to buy Range Rover and import it by themselves and also know the calculation and how to go about it, this is good news for you. So fast forward, I'm not going to waste my time. The CIF cost is 93,500 United States dollars. Converting to Ghana cedi, that's the exchange rate is 10 billion Ghana cedi. So let's take note about that. Import duty rate applied is 20%. We have component rate and amount. So CIF, that's the cost insurance price, as I'm saying. Owed 10 billion Ghana cedi. That is the amount. So it's 100 million Ghana cedi. Yes, 100 million new Ghana cedi. That's the 10 billion Ghana cedi. And we have import duty of 20%. That's 4,204.00 Ghana cedi. And that's the 2.4 and 200 billion Ghana cedi. It's not easy to mention this money, but it's been very quite complicated. And we have NHIL of 2.5%, which is 25,525.50 Ghana cedi. That's the NHIL. We have GETFund of 2.5%, which is also 25,525.50 Ghana cedi. We have AU levy of 0.2%, which is approximately giving us 2,042.04 Ghana cedi. We have ECOWAS levy of 0.5%, which is also giving us 5,105.10 Ghana cedi. We have examination fee of 0.75%, which is giving us 7,657.65 Ghana cedi. We have VAT, value added tax of 12.5% on CIF plus duty plus NHIL plus GETFund, which is 12.5%, is also giving us 159,534.38 Ghana cedi. 159,534.38 Ghana cedi. That is the VAT you are going to pay for this particular car. And then we have total levies, that's the total import duty, is 429,594.17 Ghana cedi. 4.29 billion, that's 4.2 billion old Ghana cedi. 429,594.17 Ghana cedi. So we have total estimated landed costs, that's the cost, insurance and freight plus levies, including the purchasing price. That is what I mean about. I'm not saying you are going to pay all this amount for the duty. So the whole total price for the car, insurance and shipment, and then the duty plus levies is, that is 14 billion Ghana cedi. Yes, that is 14 and 50 billion Ghana cedi. 14 and 50 billion Ghana cedi for just one car. So the excluding CIF, that's the total duty you are going to pay for this car, is 4.29 billion Ghana cedi. 4.29 billion old Ghana cedi. So summarizing it quickly, 2024 Range Rover whether evoke or whatever. CIF value of 93,500 United States dollars, and converting to Ghana cedi is 1.21.020.00 Ghana cedi. That is 10.21 billion Ghana cedi. So duty rate of apply 20%. Then let's come to component. CIF calculated in Ghana cedi, 10.21 billion Ghana cedi. Import duty of 20%, that is 204 billion Ghana cedi. NHIL of 2.5% is 25,525.50 Ghana cedi. And GETFund of 2.5%, also the same 25,525.50 Ghana cedi. We have AU levy of 0.2%, which is 2,042.04 Ghana cedi. ECOWAS levy of 0.5% is 5,105.10 Ghana cedi. We have examination fee of 0.75%, which is 7,657.65 Ghana cedi. We have VAT of 12.5% on CIL plus duty plus NHIL plus GETFund, which is 12.5%, which is against the total amount of the car is 159,534.38 Ghana cedi. And then total levies excluding CIL, that is the import duty itself, is 429,594.17 Ghana cedi. This is the real amount and exact amount we are going to pay for what? This whole car. So estimated landed cost, this is not the amount we are going to pay. The whole estimated landed cost as you clear your car is 10.14 billion, 14 and 50 billion Ghana cedi, with some 614.17 Ghana cedi. So it's almost 14.60 billion Ghana cedi for one car. That is Ghana for you. So these are estimated based on assumed purchase and shipping values, and GRA published rates. Actual value may differ due to the ICM valuation, exact engine displacement, port agent fees, and exchange rate changes may cause it lower or higher than my calculation. So let's all take note about that. If you are having trouble with any import duty, reach out to me. I'll assist you. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to Record Center, make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos too. Reach out to many people, because to advocate this knowledge to make a global impact, not only in Ghana, across the whole world, Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, and Oceania. Not only in Ghana or Africa, but global impact. That's our philosophy, and that is the vision. So let's support it. If you are watching me and it's really touching your heart to bless Record Center with cash, money, device, filming gadget, phone, camera, microphone, or whatever, tripod, please don't hesitate to support us, because we are not taking it easy at all as content creator, and this is a sacrificing work. So I'm also trying to my best to give you the right information and quality video content. See you guys for next episode. Until then, stay blessed. Bye bye.